Nikola Tesla says, if you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. Is it possible that one of history's greatest minds believed in the presence of God? Get ready to dive deep into the fascinating world of Nikola Tesla, where science and spirituality meet in ways that challenge everything we thought we knew. Did you know that Tesla believed that our words and thoughts have the power to alter our reality? In this video, we will look at Tesla's revolutionary theories about the universe and how they provide a new perspective on human consciousness and creativity. Join us as we delve into the mind of one of history's greatest inventors. So, does God live here, according to Nikola Tesla? Many people think that Nikola Tesla is one of the best inventors and researchers of all time because of his ideas. In his work, Tesla talks about how energy, frequency, and vibration are important to understanding how the universe works. In this video, we will get into Tesla's idea and look at the different ways that sound, resonance, and magnetic fields can be used. Spanda. Sages from the lineage of Shiva Tantra knew that everything is made up of pulsing energy, which they called Spanda. They also thought that the emotional flavor of these vibrating pulses of conscious energy is bliss. This pulse is thought to be the shape that Shakti, the feminine side of God, takes when she spins out of Shiva, the masculine side of God, who is the permanent, timeless field of consciousness, and denses it into different temporary structures and creations, like atoms, stars, planets, life, and us. So the universe is really just the goddess dancing with joy. If we can figure out how things are made, we will find that at their core is a pulse of quivering love. Spanda is the beat of divine consciousness in ecstasy. When we realize that Shakti is at the center of everything and that we are just blissfully pulsing packets of Spanda, we can think of our minds, ourselves, and the things we make and do in this life in a more open way. On some level, everything is holy because it is made from the thread of consciousness. Everything can be used as a way to get back into God's arms. Everything that comes up in your life and field of awareness can be traced back to this pulse of bliss. Satchitananda is a Sanskrit word that means the ultimate truth or reality of consciousness is Sananda, the importance of energy, vibration, and frequency. How is it possible for sound to travel faster than light? How can our words and thoughts become reality? What exactly do we know about science, physics, our planet, and the universe surrounding us? Can we genuinely be the makers of our own lovely future? Nikola Tesla said that everything in the universe spins and vibrates, and each thing has its own frequency of prime resonance. This is why we can change an object once we know its prime resonance frequency. Ancient people thought that sound was what made the universe, and that sound was responsible for everything. We know from modern physics that sound has a shape, and that each frequency has its own shape. Source of creation. The first people to live in Australia have a story about how time began. It says that supernatural beings woke up and broke through the Earth's surface. Hence Jenny's experiments in cymatics, which show that sound can make landscapes, mountains, valleys, and even volcanoes back up this idea. This proves that sound is a source of creation and that sound can do anything we can think of, from making light to making things float in the air. Sound and technology. Technology and sound are intertwined in fascinating ways. One example of this is how sound can create light, a concept that is easily observed by connecting a speaker to an LED light. According to the Bible, God also used sound to bring forth light. Furthermore, the idea of sound as a healing force has been explored by Royal Raymond Rife, who claimed to have discovered a way to cure all diseases through sound and resonance that would convert to electric impulses. Another intriguing aspect of sound is its ability to levitate objects. While this phenomenon may seem far-fetched, it has been demonstrated many times through the use of pressure waves that can levitate very light objects. It's important to note, however, that this is not how the ancients levitated heavy objects. Despite this, the concept of sound levitation remains an incredible feat of technology and imagination. Great hurricanes. The power of sound is truly remarkable, and it's been suggested that it can even create hurricanes. In 2003, two individuals filed a patent to create hurricanes using sound. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe, it becomes clear that some of the greatest innovators and thinkers have emphasized the importance of energy, frequency, and vibration. Among them is Nikola Tesla, who famously stated that these elements hold the key to unlocking the secrets of the universe. As we consider the connection between sound and magnetism, it's evident that everything in the universe is interconnected, and this realization holds immense significance. Magnetic properties. Tesla's work also helps us understand how different things are magnetic. We might not think of water, graphite, aluminum, and glass as being magnetic, but they all are. Even oxygen and copper sulfate can be attracted to a magnet because they are paramagnetic. The fact that seemingly non-magnetic substances can exhibit magnetic properties. The fact that seemingly non-magnetic substances can exhibit magnetic properties is a testament to the interconnectedness of the universe. This proves that everything must have some kind of magnetic property, and if it doesn't, there must be a reason. Sound has a remarkable ability to create magnetic fields, which suggests that everything in the universe is magnetic in some way, even if we don't realize it. The electron, a fundamental particle in physics, is often depicted as a small, solid particle. However, this image is misleading. In reality, electrons are not particles at all, but rather resonant waves. It's easy to be misled by such depictions and become brainwashed into accepting false assumptions about the nature of matter. Nikola Tesla had his own unique perspective on the nature of matter. He disagreed with the accepted theory of atomic matter and did not believe in the existence of an electron as depicted by science. Tesla's views on the nature of matter were groundbreaking and have continued to inspire scientific inquiry and debate. Ancient cultures. All of the religious symbols from different ancient cultures point to the idea that sound is what made the world. The 6 days of creation in Christianity and the word that made everything in Hinduism are both like the 6 sides of the old Egyptian god Horus. This shows that the people who made these symbols knew what they were talking about and understood how important sound is. Scientists, inventors, and researchers over the last 200 years have been vehemently opposed to the concept of electrons and atomic structure not being accurate. In fact, the concept of electrons and atomic structure has been widely accepted in the scientific community since the early 20th century and has been a cornerstone of modern physics and chemistry. Conclusion: sound is a very important part of the technology that we use today, and we also know that magnetic fields make electricity. Sound can also be used to make things float in the air and even hurricanes. Many people have been inspired by Nikola Tesla's work to use sound as a tool for things like medicine, making energy, and controlling the weather. In the end, Nikola Tesla's ideas about energy, frequency, and vibration give us a new way to think about how the universe works. By learning about the role of sound in the creation and how it affects technology, we can better understand how powerful the universe is. Tesla's work still inspires and amazes today, whether it is about the links between ancient cultures or the magnetic properties of different things. Thank you for tuning in. We hope that you enjoyed this fascinating look into Nikola Tesla's thoughts. If you want to learn more about the intersection of science and spirituality, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for our channel. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts and ideas.